Crows and ravens are the stuff of myths and legends, and according to some scientists, are among the smartest of birds, even more savvy than many mammals.
Like that?
When you watch them, you kind of sense an awareness and alertness. Then you watch them some more and you see them play and engage in behaviors that seem to be made just for the fun of it.
Dr. Bernd Heinrich of the University of Vermont has gone to great lengths to study these fascinating birds. More than a decade ago, he devised an experiment that demonstrated that ravens have the ability to make logical connections, much like human beings. Heinrich tied meat to a string and dangled it from a branch. It was a situation ravens would never encounter in the wild. But, as with this first-timer, some ravens figured out how to pull the string in loops and anchor it with their claws, until the meat was theirs.
He couldn't have learned it because I didn't train him. He couldn't have been programmed to do it by evolution through millions of years, because in the natural habitat you don't have that. And it couldn't have been random chance because there are too many individual steps, so it was very suggestive that the bird knew what it was doing.
Ravens exhibit other behavior that suggests innate intelligence. They will hide food for later consumption. And if one raven thinks another is watching, it will pretend to hide it in one place while actually hiding it in another. But the hoard of food is found and stolen. It's hard to outsmart a raven, even for another raven. They are, after all, very brainy birds.